IB Maths is easy.
Question 8. We have a trig function. A. Let's find the period. The formula to find the period is 2 pi over b. And in this case, b is 7.8. So it will be 2 pi divided 7.8, which is 10 pi over 39. Okay, we know that the highest point will be 1.8. So this is 1.8 and the lowest is 1. Okay, so they ask to find the value of A. To find A, we need to first to find the amplitude. The formula to find the amplitude will be maximum minus the minimum divided by 2. So it will be 0.4. And this is a cost function. The y-intercept is in the minimum, so it will reflect already. So A will be negative 0.4. B, and let's write the function again. So A cos of 7.8 t plus B. So B will be the midline. So the formula to find the midline is 1.8 plus 1 divided by 2. This will be 1.4. Or you can use 1.8, the maximum, minus the amplitude. It is also 1.4. Okay, now our full equation is negative 0.4 cos of 7.8 t plus 1.4. Okay, find the number of times that the wave reach the maximum height. So that means this equation will equal with 1.8, which is the maximum of the first 5 seconds. So we input this data into the graphing calculator like this. And then we adjust the window from 0 to 5 because they only asked for the first 5 seconds. So we will count how many x-intercepts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that means it will reach the maximum height 6 times. Okay, next, they ask to find the first time the base reach the height of 1.5. So the equation now will be negative 0.4 cos of 7.8t plus 1.4 equal with 1.5. And then we put this into the GDC and find the first x-intercept because they asked for the first time. It will look like this one. Remember, we move everything to left side. So they asked to find first. This will be here. So 0.233. So the first time will be 0.233. Okay, E, the probability that the height is greater than 1.5. The first 5 seconds. Okay, so we will find the second x-intercept. We'll find the second x-intercept here to find how long it is period, and then we multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to find the total amount. The object is over 1.5. So the second x-intercept is 0.572. So one interval will be from 0.233 to 0.572. So the duration of the interval will be 0.339. Okay, so the probability will be 0.339 multiplied by 6 and then divided by 5 times 100 to get a percent. The answer will be 40.7%. We are done. Okay, last question. Okay, this is about probability. Total N, 10 are green and the rest, 10 are green and the rest are red. Okay, the probability, the first one is green. So it will be 10 over N because it will be 10 green out of total N. The first 2 bonds are green. So the first one is this one, and the second one is this one, because this is in order and without replacement. So the number of green balls reduced by 1, and the total number reduced by 1. Okay, next one. Now they're giving us n is 25. So that property, the first two balls red is 0.35. Okay, so the first red will be 15 over 25. The second red is 14 over 24, which is 0.35. Okay, the first three are all red. So first red, second red, and the third red. This will be 91 over 460. Okay, D. At least one of the first three balls is green. So this is the property for all red. So just 1 minus that one. So we will have 369 over 460. Okay, game of 4. Remember 4, we have 4 options. 4 positions to determine. Still 25. Okay, we'll earn 0 if no green. If no green is picked, so that means it's the 4 of them on red. So let's do, I call this one 1, this one 2, this one 3, this one 4, this one 5. Okay, now we need to find the probability of each one. So let's do this one first. Okay, one is no green, so that means 4 red. So 15 over 25 multiplied by 14 over 24 multiplied by 13 over 23 multiplied by 12 over 22, and we will have 273 over 2530. Okay, second, the first green we pick on the first term, so it will be 10 over 25. Number 3, we pick on the second draw. That means the first one is red and the second is green. So 15 over 25 times 10 over 24, which is 1 over 4. Now 4. If the first green, you pick on the third one. So the first one must be red, the second is red, and the first one is green. So we will have 7 over 46. And the last one, number 5. If the first green is picked on the fourth draw, so that means the first red, the second red, the third red, and the last one is green. So we will have 0.0899. Okay, k times values of k. Okay, so first we need to find the expected value of one play. So you get 0 point. If you play, you get 1 and 2 and 3. So we don't count this in because to find expected value, the value is 0. Okay, 4 you will get 10 point, and 5 you will get 50. So the expected value will be 7 over 46 times 10 plus 50 times 0.0899. We will have 6.0167. So to greater than 100, we need to get 100 divided by this one. So we will have 16.6. So we have to play at least 7 games to get the score greater than 100. We are done.